manufacturing is a big pace of the prosperity in Europe. It's 32 million jobs in Europe. It's 7.3 trillion euro revenue. And at the same time, it does represent 16% of a GDP.
So having a very strong and competitive industry is absolutely paramount if we want to keep our level of welfare. And the event itself has a very good format. I like the fact that, you have panel discussions, you have exhibition.
One simple learning out of these 2 days could be a game changer in my own work. And my advice and my presentation also could be a game changer for someone else.
You see here usually a very high openness to share things, and you have a very honest discussion how things really are. It's not the high polished marketing PowerPoint, it's really down to earth, it's really reality and the challenges.
So we have to have diversified manufacturing facility, diversified people, diversified supplier, diversified even finished product, so the company can compete and have the right cost with the right people in place.
You really hear at 360 degrees from many different angles, from many different industry inputs that you cannot see looking only at your sector, but then maybe you can rethink, adapt and reuse.